Hey guys, Scott's Honest Reviews here, and today we're showing you what the B and C Eagle staples look like. These are the number 9015, 18 gauge narrow crown, 1/4 inch crown by 5/8 inch leg, galvanized steel. Check them out. So we're just doing this so you guys can see what they look like, so you know what you're getting, and make sure that this is what you wanted to order. So as you can see, they're extremely thin, very tall. So we place it right here. You'll be able to see better. Very thin, very tall. So keep that in mind when ordering. If this is what you need, these are made of high quality and should do the job really well.